Proceed when you're ready, sir. You have 2 minutes.
Within 2 minutes.
Thereafter,
Mr.
Senator
Presiding Officer.
Judge Padilla.
What is your level or security clearance level? Top secret being the highest, access sa documents saka information, restricted being the lowest. Meron ka ba security clearance na grant o na-issue para sa'yo?
Wala naman.
Well, you know, I assume na mataas yung security clearance mo kasi ang hinahawakan mo, ino-audit mo, confidential information, confidential funds, di ba?
Yes po, Your Honor.
So I wonder why wala ka security clearance. Kasi paano ka mag-audit? Kasi pag may intelligence project, naka-vault yan eh. Lahat ng aliases, yun ang nakalabas. Pero yung tunay na identities corresponding to the aliases, naka-vault. Pag declassified na, terminated na yung program, yung activity o yung project, intelligence project, pwede na ilabas yun kasi declassified na yun. So kung wala kang security clearance, paano ma-access? Yung tulad na sinabi ni Senator Subiri, quarterly, nagpapadala sa Senate President, Speaker of the House, ng intelligence and confidence, paano ginastos? Kasi may oversight powers kami, di ba? So paano ka makakapag-audit properly kung hindi mo alam yung nature ng intelligence project or operation? Kaya kanina tinatanong ko, yung bang evidence of success per activity, ano ba, after surveillance report. And mind you, you cannot call it successful kung negative yung surveillance. Wala nakita eh, pero gumastos ng pera yon. So would you consider that another topic as a success or evidence of success, maski negative yung resulta ng intelligence information gathering, operation or activity, or yung after surveillance report? So kung walang result, negative, ano yun, hindi successful? Hindi pwedeng i-clear?
Nakalagay po kasi yung nature ng item is payment of reward. So dapat...
No. Pagka kasi nag-acknowledgement receipt, no? Halimbawa, bumiyahe, meron ding informant yung informant, ginasusan, o bumili ng sigarilyo sa sari-sari store, nagkape, kasi kausap yung informant. Wala ka makikitang... Oh, thank you, Mr. President.
Kindly wind up, Senator Lacson. Pati ako nabitin eh.
You may just respond na lang. We'll wait for your answer.
Ay, sorry po. pwedeng pa ulit.
Ulitin ko hindi lahat ng after surveillance report successful. Negative eh. Wala nakita. Pero gumastos.
Oh.
Hindi lahat ng intelligence gathering information successful. Kasi negative. Pero may gastos yun. How would you classify that? Evidence of success ba yun o hindi? These are practical questions Kasi galing ako dyan eh. Kaya alam ko yung kalakaran.
Opo. That calls for...
Yun nga wala ka security clearance kasi. Kasi naka-bolt lahat yan. Pagka intelligence project, naka-bolt. Pag declassified, terminated yung project, saka ilalabas yun. Nandun lahat yung mga tunay na pangalan ng mga aliases.
Opo.
Kumuha ka ng security clearance. Wala nga raw.
Next to interject would be Senator Judge Padilla.